Hello, this is J&M Reviews, and today I'm very excited to review this free sample provided by Apple Biotic Skincare. So it is a probiotic extract face wash. It's 6 ounces. This is how it looks, and it can be used both by men and women. I like it because it doesn't have any sulfates or parabens, and it has apple cider, it has orange peel essential oils, probiotic extract, green tea, and chamomile. So it is very natural per se. And all you want to do is put water on your clean face. You can add just a little bit. I'm going to demonstrate it here. As you can see, it's pretty much liquid. And then you're going to rub a sponge. Smells delicious, smells like orange. And then after you pass it through all your face, you're going to rinse it away. And then it works best when you combine it with the Apple Biotic toner pads and skincare line like moisturizers and ice and under the eyes cream. So they are great. I like them. I hope you check them out, and thank you for watching.